ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। हरि ओम, a very warm welcome. भगवान श्री रामचंद्र जी met with the Guru Vasishtha ji, who very clearly was telling, "Hey Rama, प्राण प्राण के जीव सुख के सुख Rama." Hey Rama, you are the very life of every life. You are the soul, Atma in every Atma. Pranasya pranaha, yesterday we saw. तुमत जितात सुहात गृह जिनहि तिनहि विधि बाम. The one who go back home without you staying with you, not staying with you, it is unfortunate. It is a influence of their unfortunate fate. Therefore, all those people who are staying here with you are happy. You don't have to worry. Don't ever think that they are inconvenienced. They have got lot of problems. They are finding themselves in difficult position to stay on, etc., etc. Being with you, they are in bliss. Not to worry. This is what we saw in 290th Doha. Continuing in the 291st Doha. So sukhu karamu dharamu jari javu jahan rama pada pankaj bhavu jogu kujogu gyanu agyanu jahan ram prema paradhanu तुम बिनु दुखी सुखी तुम तेहि तुम जानहु जिय जो जेहि केहि रावुर आय सुसिर सबहि के विदित कृपाल ही गति सबनी के आपु आश्रम ही धारिय पावु भयउ सनेह शिथिल मुनिरावु करि प्रणामु तब रामु सिधाये ऋषि धरि धीर जनक पहि आये राम बचन गुरु नृपहि सुनाये सील सनेह सुभाय सुहाये महाराज अब कीजिए सोई सब कर धर्म सहित हित होई ज्ञान निधान सुजान सुचि धर्म धीर नरपाल तुम बिनु असमंजस समन को समरथ एहि काल सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। सो सुख करमु धरमु जरि जावु जहन राम पद पंकज भावु। You know, let all the happiness, sukha, karamu, all the rituals, dharamu, all the merits, punya karma, etc., whatever they have gained, jari javu, jahana rama pada pankaja bhavu, in case they don't have devotion towards the lotus feet of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji, jari javu, let it perish. Happiness, ritual, punya, karma, karma phala, let everything get burnt away if they don't have love towards the feet of Rama, devotion to the feet of Rama. Bhagavatam says, Shrama eva hi kevalam. All these karma, what you have done is only Shrama. It will not bear any positive fruits. Jogu kujogu jnanu ajnanu. Yoga. Yoga is what? A disciplined way of union with God. A beautiful activity that which is performed for the sake of union with God. Yoga. Kuyoga. It becomes wasteful. It becomes offensive only. Jnana, knowledge, wisdom will be ajnanu. It will become ignorance. It will wash away all the jnana. Jahana hi Rama pema parabdhanu. Where there is no love for Bhagavan, when one does not take Rama as the supreme, then all that yoga, all that jnana, everything will be a waste. Manaschena lagnam hare rangri padme tatah kim, tatah kim, tatah kim, tatah kim. Of what use of all great achievements if you don't have love for the feet of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji? Tatah kim, of what use are they? Four times the Acharya written tatah kim, tatah kim, tatah kim, tatah kim. तुम बिनु दुखी सुखी तुम तेहि. Whoever is dukhi, is unhappy because they are not with you. They are without you, therefore they are unhappy. And sukhi tumatehi. If at all there are some people who are experiencing joy, happiness, it is only through you, it is only because of you that they are experiencing happiness. तुम जानहु जिय जो जेहि केहि. And Bhagavan, तुम जानहु, you know everything. You are antaryami. When you are antaryami, you know everything. Every individual's mind you know. Jiya jo jehi kehi Ravura aya susira sab hi ke bidita kripala hi gati sab hi ke nike. Your command, Ravura ayasu, your command is this, it will sway everybody. Your command is the ultimate. Everybody will quietly follow. Without questioning, unconditionally, your command is what will sway. Bidita kripalahi, and your gracious self, gati sabanike, will know everything completely well. You know everything, antaryami. Apu ashamahi dhariya pavu. O Lord, hey Rama, Vasishtha ji says, you go ahead to your ashrama and please rest properly. Take rest. Aap ashrama hi dharai pao. Carry on. Bhayavu saneha sitila muniravu. Muniravu Vasishtha ji was completely overpowered by lot of emotions towards Rama because of the beauty of Rama's heart, which, which is looking at everybody's pain and is very worried. It is unable to take people taking pains and sufferings and discomfort, inconveniences for the sake of myself. How can I see all of that? Is what Rama came to say. Vasishtha ji, Vasishtha says, you go to your ashrama and you take rest, everything will be fine. Carry on. Lot of sages was very, very overpowered. Kari pranamu tab ramu sidhaye. Then Ramchandra ji, he bowed to Vasishtha ji and Sidhaye. He departed and went back to his kutira. Rishidhari dhira janaka pahiyaye. Now Vasishtha ji, he came to King Janaka. After Rama left, Vasishtha ji came to King Janaka. Rama bachana guru nripahi sunaye. Then he sat down with King Janaka and he spoke what all Ramchandra spoke now with him. He came and told everything to the king. Sila saneha subhaya suhaye. And he also was full of glories and affection and added, what did he say? Hey Maharaja, abba kijiye soi. Vasishtha ji tells Janaka Maharaj, hey Maharaja, now do that sabakara dharma sahita hita hui. What a beautiful sentence. He says, you do whatever is good for all. At the same time, he inserts a very beautiful, two words, dharma sahita. As per dharma, without transgressing the path of dharma, please do that which will help everybody, which will convince everybody, which is good for everybody. Jnana nidhana sujana suchi dharma dhira narapala. Hey, O king, Narapala, you are a storehouse. You are a nidhana of what? Jnana, wisdom. Sujana, you are very intelligent, you are clever. Suchi, pure hearted. Dharma Shila, Dharma Dhira, you are, you are very, very staunch in upholding the cause of Dharma, the cause of virtue. And therefore, Tumabino asamanjasa samana, there is nobody as equivalent to you at the present moment, ko samaratehi kala, who can find a way out from this condition. Vasishta ji is telling Janaka Maharaj, now look at the condition. What is the look? Can't Vasishta ji himself do it? He's a great jnani, isn't it? Atma jnani. Why can't he do? But then he has told earlier what? He has confessed that I have become weak because of my love towards Bharata. So I cannot guarantee impartial. Look at the truthfulness in everybody there. I cannot guarantee impartiality because of my intense love in which I am drowned towards Bharata. Second, since I am drowned and cannot take an impartial decision, my decision may not be perfect. Therefore, I am not ready to take a decision when it cannot be perfect. And now he comes and tells Janak Maharaj, one is Videha Raja. He has no, love or hatred, etc. because he has transcended all those conditions. Now, Janaka's position also is very difficult. You know why? Just as Ramchandraji is the son-in-law of, is his son-in-law, Bharata is also son-in-law. Is it not? His brother's direct son-in-law is Bharata. So as good as son-in-law only. Is it not? Now, if he takes Bharata's side, Kushadwaja will wonder, oh, because he is his son-in-law, he has taken his side. Kushadwaja might wonder. If he takes Bharata's side, the people will be unhappy. Because Rama is the rightful person to take the kingdom. So, he will do injustice to Rama. So, Janaka's position is very, very difficult. And then, he only have to say Hare Rama. In front of Rama, he has to say Hare Rama only. What to do? See what he does. Suni muni bachana janaka nurage lakhi gati gyanu biragu birage sitila saneha gunata man mahi आए इहा कीन्ह भल नाही राम ही राय कहे वो बन जाना कीन आपु प्रिय प्रेम प्रवाना हम अब बनते बन ही पठाई प्रमुदित फिरब विवेक बढ़ाई तापस मुनि मही सुर सुनि देखी भये प्रेम बस बिकल विशेषी समौ समुझि धरि धीरजु राजा चले भरत पहि सहित समाजा भरत आई आगे भई लीन्हे अवसर सरिस सुवासन दीन्हे तात भरत कहते रहु तिराऊ, तुम्हि विदित रघुबीर सुभाऊ। राम सत्यव्रत धर्म रत, सब कर सीलु सनेहु। संकट सहत सकोच बस, कहिय जो आय सुदेहु। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। Janaka quietly listened to Vasishtha ji. Suni muni bachana Janaka anurage. When Janaka heard the words, immersed in lot of emotion, love towards Ramchandra ji and Bharat ji, Lakhigati Gyanu Biragu Birage, even the, jnana, wisdom, vairagya, dispassion, even they in their own state would shrink away. They would feel discomfort. That is the amount of love he had towards Bharata and Sri Ramchandra ji, to see his pathetic condition in a manner of saying. शिथिल सनेह गुणत मन माही. That love he had actually, brought that, his reasoning in itself became dull. His capacity to reason, to bring the right decision became dull. Aaye iha kinha bhal nahi. Therefore, he thought to himself, did I make a mistake? Janaka Maharaj thinks, Bhalanaya, maybe having come here, I have done something wrong. I should not have come to this place. Rama hi raya kahevu ban jana. Dasharatha, no doubt told Ramchandra ji to go to woods. Even though he did not like it, to keep up his words, he asked Rama to go to woods. Kina aap priya prema pravana. And then what did he do? He demonstrated to the world his intense love for Rama, and to that extent he also demonstrated how he cannot live without Rama. He dropped the body. He died. Think. He has demonstrated both, one, Nyayam, by following his words, and two, Prema, that he had for Rama. He cannot live without him. He passed away. Ham ab banate banahi pathai, pramudita phirab bibeka badai. And now, as far all of us are concerned, we have sent him to the forest. He is in the forest. And if we return, now he will go from forest to forest, forest to forest, you go. Now tell Rama, okay, now you want to go, you don't want to come back. Okay, you go to forest, we will go back to the palace. And if we send him and then come back to the palace thinking we have won over at something like that, how foolish it can be. Is it not? Tapasa muni mahisura suni dekhi. Seeing all the ascetics and all the sages and saints and very, very noble people who have come, and lit people who have come, bhaye prema basa bikala biseshi, all the brahmanas and sages, all of them, seeing the condition, all of them also became so overwhelmed with emotion. Now everybody knows Janaka is a great jnani, a great karma yogi, viragi. All those qualifications he had, but they had never known that Janaka was also a Rama Premi. Think. It was in this particular episode, everybody came to know what a Rama Premi was Raja Janaka. Samau samujhidhyari dhira juraja chale bharata pahi sahita samaja. Now Janaka thought, he himself was also in such a condition, very unenvious condition, isn't it? He thought, better go to Bharata. So Sahita Samaja, with all of his followers, main people, he went to Bharat. And at Bharata aaye aage bhailine, when Bharata heard that Janaka Maharaj and along with people they are coming here, he went forward, received them with folded hands, offered his pranams, namaskarams, and brought them avasara sarisa suhasanadinhe, whatever available seats were available, he offered all of them, asked them to sit down. तात भरत कहते रहु तिरावु तुमहि विदित रघुबीर सुभावु. Tata Bharata, my dear Bharata, kahate rahu tirau, Janaka told. Tumahi vidita Raghubira Subhavu, you know very well your own brother. You know what is Ramchandra's disposition. राम सत्यव्रत धर्मरत सबकर सीलु सनेहु. Who is Rama? Satyavrata, the one who will not even move even an iota from the vow, from the promise that he has made, the word that he has given. Dharmarata, one who is completely devoted to his duty. Sabakara Seelu Sanehu, and with all Sabakara, he loves everybody, he shares his feelings with everyone and affection with everybody, and in particularly you, with you, hey Bharata. Sankata Sahita Sahocha Basa. Now what is the current condition? He is having lot of feelings. He is in mental torture, sankata sakocha basa. Kahiya jo aaye sudehu. Now give me your final word, hey Bharata, so that we may go and talk to him. Hey Bharata, you tell me what we should talk to him. Can you think about it? Janaka Maharaj, along with the others, are asking Bharata, how to speak to Rama? You tell us now. Very interesting. Bharata's position is so very difficult now. Now think about Bharata. Rama is a Satyavrata. Will do only that. Whatever is ought to be done, that alone he will do. And you cannot insist him. Hey Rama, all that is okay. Like how people talk, hey, nobody follows all that, things like that. Like that you cannot talk to Rama, nobody follows, you come back to Ayodhya. You cannot talk. Why? Satyavrata. So you cannot insist him to change his decision. And they very well knew, especially Bharata knew, Rama will not come back. This is an interesting knowledge all of them have. Rama Satyavrata, he will not come back. They knew that it is very, very difficult for Ramchandraji and Sitaji and Lakshmana to walk barefoot in the forest. If they go barefoot in the forest for the rest of the time, it is so difficult. They cannot ask him to go barefoot also. They cannot ask him to come back also. They cannot say, okay, Rama, you go. You go to the forest, we will go back to the Ayodhya and we will enjoy. They cannot say that. Their own mind will not accept it. Is it not? Look at the condition. Bharata cannot do any of these. And then, now we cannot make Rama break his vow also. We cannot send him to the forest also. And look at the condition of Bharata. What to do? All learned people, Vashishta ji, Vishwamitra ji, great Janaka Maharaj, extremely noble people, very learned people. The guru of Janaka, everybody is there. Yet, all of them come to Bharata and say, you decide. Why? None of them are able to decide. That difficult it is it not? And everything has come to Bharata. So what to talk of Bharata's position? So difficult, is it not? Continuing. Sunitana pulaki nayana bhari bhari bole bharatu dhira dhari bhari Prabhu priya puja pita samapu Kula guru samahita mayana bapu Kausikadi muni sachiva samaju Jnana ambu nidhi apunu aju Sisu sevaku ayasu anugami Jani mohi sikha deya swami Ehi samaj thal bujhab ravur Mauna malina mein bolab bavur Chote badan kahau badi bata Chama batata lakhi bama bidhata Agama nigama prasiddha purana Seva dharamu kathina jagujana Swami dharam swaratha hi virodhu Bairu andha premahina prabodhu Rakhi rama rukha dharamu bratu Paradhina mohi jani Sabke sammat sarbahita Kariya premu pahichani Siyavar Ramachandra ki jai Pavan Sutta Hanuman ki jai Umapati Mahadev ki jai Bolo bhai sab santan ki jai Sadguru Nath Maharaj ki jai Suni tana pulaki nayana bhari bari. When Bharata heard all these words from Janaka Maharaj, his eyes was filled with tears and he was so moved with emotion that all his hair stood at its ends. Bole bharatu dhira dhari bhari. Then he forcefully brought restraint upon himself and then he very politely he said, Prabhu priya puja pita sama apu. Hey Prabhu, my Lord, you are, as far as I am concerned with respect to me, you are even, like my father only. Prabhu, pita sama apu. You are like my father. And now all the more now, because now I don't have my father. You are like my father. Kula guru samahita maya na bapu. And as regards of my family, you are like the sage Vashishta, family preceptor. Vashishta is there. You are at par with him. My own parents also, they are under you. Kaushika Adi Muni Sachiva Samaju. Kaushika Vishwamitra ji. Adi. All the other great Shatananji, Vashishta ji, Janaka Maharaj, excellent ministers, very, very brilliant ministers. Jnana Ambo Nidhi Apunu Aju. And today, you too, you all are ocean of wisdom. Ambo Nidhi, Jnana Ambo Nidhi. An ocean of wisdom. And you are all present here. Aju, you are here today. Sisu Sevaku Ayasu Anugami. please accept me as a sisu, a child. Sevaku anugami, I am your servant. When you brilliant people are here, who am I? I am a small child in front of you. I am only your servant. Jani mohi sikhadeya Swami. You please accept me as your child and instruct me accordingly. Hey Guru, please instruct me. I am your child. I will obey. Ehi samaja thala bojha baravura. And I can't even think that you should seek my advice in this glorious assembly of wise men in this holy place. How can I take a decision? You have to instruct me. Mauna malina me bola babavura. Now, O Guru, in case I kept quiet, if I keep quiet, I will be considered as a weak heart, weak person. And if I speak on this occasion, Bolaba Bavura, it will be madness on my part to speak in front of such glorious people, wise men here. So please, Chote badan kahau badi bata, with my small mouth, I am speaking this much, in Hindi also. Chota mu badi baat. Like that, some phrases there. He's saying the same thing. Chamaba, please forgive me, Tata. Lucky Bam Abhidhata, please forgive me for speaking like this inadvertently, because it is the providence, the fate, the destiny is against me, because of which all these are happening. Agama nigama prasiddha purana Seva dharamu kathina jagujana. The duty of a servant. Now look at that. Seva dharamu kathina. Very, very, very difficult. Jugujana, the world knows. And it is the same is said even in Agama, Nigama, Prasiddha Purana, in the Vedas, in Tantras, in Puranas, in all the great scriptures, this is very clearly said. What? A servant's, duty is very, 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 very difficult. Many of us will fail. Why? Because our ahankara is so strong, we will fail in our duty towards our master. Swami dharamu swarathahi birodhu bhairu andha premahina prabodhu. A duty to a master has to be selfless. Selfishness is incompatible, is opposite of duty towards master. When the master says to obey, is the only duty of a servant. And it is very difficult because we people, without having, isn't it true? What to talk of these great yogis and saints and sages, even with our own teacher, we can't, stay obedient. We want to show our power and prowess, our position, our rank, our glories, our building, our car, our bank balance, our this one. So many we have to show in front of the teacher and say, what are you? You listen to what I say. Think. Swami dharma swaratahi virodha. Swartha, selfishness, is Swami dharma virodhu. Is anti to seva towards Guru. Bairu andha premahina prabodhu. Hatred is blind. Love is also not, love does not have discretion. People say love is blind. Hatred is blind. See, Vairu andha. And love also many times is not discreet in itself because it just loves. राखी राम रुख धर्म ब्रतु पराधीन मोहि जानी. Therefore, please know that I am dependent on all of you. I am not an independent person, a big person to take decisions. I am dependent on all of you. Therefore, when it comes to Rama's wishes, with due deference, with his sacred vow, with his duty, I cannot speak anything about it. I am too small a child to speak about Ramchandraji's vow, Ramchandraji's duty, his all that I can't speak. I am too small. Sabke sammata sarpahita kariya pemu pahichani. Therefore, I pray at your feet. Please do that which is approved and is good for all. Now Bharata turns the table. You take a decision, recognizing that everybody's affection towards Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji. Please bear me to say this. You take a decision that is right, that is approved by everybody, including Ramchandraji, and that which is good for all. Please take a decision. Now see. भरत बचन सुनि देखि सुभावु सहित समाज सुराहत रावु सुगम अगम मृदु मंजु कठोरे अरथु अमित अति आखर थोरे जो मुखु मुकुर निज पानी गहि न जाई अस अद्भुत बानी भूप भरतु मुनि सहित समाजु गे जह विबुध कुमुद द्विजराजु सुनि सुधि सोच बिकल सब लोगा मनहु मीन गण नव जल जोगा देव प्रथम कुल गुर गति देखी निरखी विदेह स्नेह विशेषी राम भगति मय भरतु निहारे सुर स्वारथी हरि हियहारे सब को राम प्रेममय पेखा भये अलेख सोच बस लेखा रामु सनेह सकोच बस कह सोच सुर राजू रचहु प्रपंच ही पंच मिली नाही न भयउ अकाजु सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। भरत बचन सुनि देखि सुभावु. King Janaka, when he saw Bharata, when he heard Bharata, knowing his svabhava, observing his beautiful nature, his sharanagati at the feet of Rama, his prema towards Rama, when Janaka heard Bharata, he and his followers, everybody applauded him. Everybody were taken, their love towards Bharata increased at every moment. It started increasing and increasing, multiplying in itself. Sugama agama mrudu manju kathore. It is so brilliant yet incomprehensible. That was the glory of Bharata. His words so soft, so sweet. At the same time, his heart is so hard now at this current moment. Arathu amita ati akhar thore. His words were pregnant with so much of deep meaning. So deep, it is so difficult for people to even, cognize the depth. Incomprehensible. जो मुख मुकुर मुकुर निज पानी गई न जाई अस अद्भुत बानी. His speech was so mysterious. It was so baffling. How, very interesting is, it is like the mirror, he says. Why he says mirror? When you have a very big mirror and you go and stand in front of the mirror will show you completely, isn't it? It will show you your face completely, in a big way probably. You go and take a smaller mirror, that small mirror also will show you completely. Small or big, it will show. That is the very nature of the mirror. Similarly, whether in smaller ways or in bigger ways, Bharata's glory is seen completely. And it's so easily, it cannot be grasped actually intellectually. You can see the glory, but to grasp is very difficult. Gahi na jai asa adbhuta bani. This such wonderful words, so difficult to comprehend. भूप भरतु मुनि सहित समाजु गे जह बिबुध कुमुद द्विजराजु. They didn't know what to do. So what did they do? Bhupa, Janaka Maharaj, Bharata himself, Muni, sage Vashishta, Sahita Samaju, along with the entire assembly, all the acharyas, mothers and people, all of them said, best is to go to Rama only. They straight went to Rama. The one whose very presence delights everybody, they all went to Rama. Suni sudhi socha bikala sabaloga manahu meena gana navajala joga. On hearing the news that we all are going to go to Rama only, let him only take a decision, all of them were very happy. At the same time, manahu meena gana navajala joga. Every fish, the example here is the anxiety of a fish when it sees water and in the first drops of water. There are two versions to it. In the monsoon, the first drop of monsoon water if the fish catches, it is said it is very detrimental to the fish. It can even die. At the same time, the joyful decision that may come out can even bring a lot of joy. Now, the camera shifts. Where? To the heavens. Time and again camera keeps shifting, isn't it? Deva prathama kula guragati dekhi. Now from the heaven, the devatas are all watching what is happening. Because so much of things are happening there. They were all very carefully, curiously watching what is going to happen. So Deva Prathama, Kula Guragati Dekhi, they saw the condition of stage Vasishtaji. So confused, he doesn't know what to do because his love for Bharata is so much, and what to talk of Rama. Nirakhi Bideha Saneha Biseshi. They also saw the condition of Videha Raja, King Janaka. So unenvious, unenviable condition. Rama Bhagati Maya Bharatu Nihare Suraswarathi Harihi Ahare. And then they said, they held Bharata, who is a very incarnation of devotion to Rama. Bharatu Nihare Bhagati Maya. Suraswarathi Harihi Ahare. All these selfish gods, Swarathi, Sura, Gods are extremely very selfish. They want their activity to go on. They somehow want to send Rama to the forest. That is a purpose, no doubt. But they are so selfish. Sab ko Rama pe mamaya pekha bhaya alekha socha basalekha. When the gods, celestial beings, when all of them saw everybody is in love with Ramchandra ji, they were actually extremely perturbed. Lekha is another word for the celestial beings. Socha Lekha, all the gods sat down, they were all so disturbed. Why? Everybody is in love with Rama. Vasishta ji is in love with Bharata, of course, because of Rama. But that way, everybody is in love. Rama saneha sakocha basa kaha sach socha suraraju. No, Suraraju, Indra Devata. He is so sorrowful, he is so disturbed. Sri Rama is full of love and he considers everybody's feelings. He is ready to give up anything of himself for the sake of others. So he was little perturbed. Rachahu prapanchahi panchamili nahi na bhayavo akaju. Therefore he said, now best is give up everybody. Why? Or none of them can help us. Now we have to coin, we have to devise, we have to do a plot to somehow send Rama to the forest. Otherwise, we all are ruined. Nahita bhayavu akaju. We are doomed otherwise. Somehow, yena kena prakarena, do something, some, underhand plot. Kuch bhi. And see that Rama goes to the forest. Surana sumiri saradha sarahi devi deva saranagata pahi फेरी भरतमति करि निज माया फालु विबुध कुल करि छल छाया विबुध विनय सुनि देवी सयानी बोली सुर स्वारथ जड जानी मोसन कहूँ भरतमति फेरू लोचन सहसन सूझ समेरू विधि हरिहर माया बड़ी भारी सोऊ न भरत मति सकई निहारी सोमति मोहि कहत करु भोरी चंदिनी कर की चंड कर चोरी भरत हृदय सिय राम निवासु तहि तिमिर जह तरनि प्रकाशु अस कहीं सारद गई विधि लोका विबुध विकल निसिमानहु कोका सुर स्वारथी मलिन मन कीन कुमंत्र कठाटु रचि प्रपंच माया प्रबल भय भ्रम अरति उचाटु चियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. As always, Surana Sumiri Sharada Sarahi. They went to Sharada. Mata Sharada earlier also has done lot of help. So they said, okay, the final abode, let us go to Sharada. They went to Mata Saraswati. Devi Deva Saranagata Pai. They went into Dirgadanda Pranama to Devi Sharada. And then फेरी भरतमति करि निज माया पालु विबुध कुल करि छल छाया. हे माता, please change Bharata's mind. Please do something. You use all strength of your maya. do something, change Bharata's mind, and then preserve this heavenly race. Otherwise, all of us will go. Ravana will come and he will completely erase the completely celestial world. Therefore, do something, some trick. Even if it's a depriving trick, doesn't matter. Yena kena prakarena change Bharata's mind, is what all the gods told. Vibudha Binaya Suni Devi Sayani. Wise goddess Saraswati Devi, naturally intelligent, quietly heard the God's prayers. Boli Sura Swaratha Jadajani. She understood the selfishness, Swaratha Jadajani. They understood the selfishness of all the gods. That selfishness has robbed them of their intelligence, their senses. So very, very cheap it had become. Therefore, in particular addressing Indra, she replied, Mo sanakahu bharatamati pheru lochana sahasana sujha sameru. Hey Devataha, you are asking me to change Bharata's mind? Bharatamati peru? Lochana sahasana suja sameru. It is a pity. Pity on you. Can't you see that Meru Parvata, such a big Meru Parvata, you can't see with your own eyes? Hundreds and thousands of eyes all of you have got. Can't you see the the Meru Parvata? Like that is the glory of Bharata. What do you think? You think I can do anything to Bharata? Bidhi, Brahma, creator. Hari, Vishnu. Hara, Shiva. Maya, even Maya Devata. Badi Bhari. Sovana Bharatamati Sakainkari. Even none of them could change Bharata's, mind. None of them could counter Bharata's reasoning. Why Rama alone has to become the Raja? Why Bharata should not take the throne? Bharata's reasoning is so profound that none of them could change Bharata's mind. Somati mohi kahata karbhauri. And that you are asking me? Think. You ask me to pervert such a mind? Chandini kariki chandakara chori. What are you talking? Devatas, have you got some akal hai kya? Can a moonlight steal away the brilliance of the sun? What are you talking? Bharata hridayasya Rama nivasu. Bharata, in Bharata's heart, who is there? Sita Rama, Siya Rama nivasu. Bhagavan Ramchandraji and Sitaji is residing in Bharata's heart. How can that change? Tahanki timira jaha tarahi prakasu. And can darkness ever, now please note this one, can darkness ever enter the sunshine? Sunshine can enter darkness, but can darkness enter sunshine? Asakahi Sarada Gada Bidhi Loka. She said, forget it. It is it is just not possible to change Bharata's mind. Bye bye. She went. Bidhi Loka, she went to Brahma's heaven. She went. Bibhuda Bikala Nisimanahu Koka. Just as Chakravaka bird is distressed when the night comes, all the gods were distressed. Sura Swarathi Malinamana. All the selfish gods with malicious heart, Kinhi Kumantra Kathotu, they decided to conceive a plot, like something like black magic, etc. Probably they must have thought. Rachi Prapancha Maya Prabhala. And, a deceptive artificial thing they wanted to create and set up a fear. Bhaya, Brahma, Arati Uchatu. They wanted to create a confusion and an unsettling mind with full of wave of fear in everybody. And then what happened? Now look at this very important point. When you are selfish, when you are desperate, when you are very demanding, you are ready to come down to any level to acquire, to possess. Though, from one standpoint, this is acceptable because the purpose of Rama is to go to forest and then kill Ravana. But the means is also very important. And now the gods had to take the very wrong means because nothing else is working. And Bharata is such a strong person who can, even Sharada has given up. Janaka has given up. Vasishtaji has given up. Everybody has given up. What will happen? How is it going to change? Is something which we'll wait and see for tomorrow. Alright. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।